culturally, socially, and politically, there is nothing that associates the Abo man with the Igbo man. Go and trace it historically. So
Wait, did he just say Abo people are not Igbo? But at the same time, distinguished Senators Ned Nwoko and Senator Uzor Kalu are strongly pushing for the creation of Anioma state for Igbo people in Delta State. So the big question is, are Anioma people really Igbo or not?
Of course, Anioma state should be created. The 6 Southeast states is the only state that will be able to be created in the Southeast. Anioma are Igbos, and they never said they are not Igbos. The 6 Southeastern states should be created, and they had to go to Anioma with some other states in Onitsha and everywhere to become a state.
Delta rivers?
Yes. But not rivers, but Delta mostly.
There's some rivers, there are some Igbos who identify as Igbos also in
No, you cannot just go to jump somewhere, go to the other place. You first do this side, and possibly.
So there should be an Anioma state?
There should be an Anioma state. To be forthright, there should be an Anioma state.
Is that part of what you discussed with President Tinubu?
No, but there should be an Anioma state.
Senator Orji Uzor Kalu believes the solution is simple. Create an Anioma state for the Igbo-speaking people in Delta State. According to him, Anioma people share language, culture, and history with the Igbo people. But